So there's a statistic that shows that 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. But for real, I don't think they lose 90% of their money. They lose all of their money in the first 90 days. Hi there, my name is DDT. Not the DDT you know. Not the kind of DDT you know. This is the DDT of finance, alright? Yeah. So let's go straight into the video. So the first reason why traders lose money is because they don't smash the like button. Oh yeah, it's a fact. If you don't smash the like button, you are going to lose money in the long run. It's a fact. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. Smash the like button because it helps promote this kind of videos to majority of people. You know, we are providing free content, okay, free content. So smash that. It helps me out. It helps the channel out. So just smash the like button, okay. Why traders lose money is because the first thing they miss out is risk management. That's the first thing, it's risk management. Bear in mind that majority of traders that come into trading, majority of people that come into trading, they come into trading because of a get rich quick scheme. Okay, they come into trading because of a get rich quick scheme, because someone told them or they saw an advert somewhere of a trader making $10,000 in one day, $20,000 in one day, $15,000 in one day. So you get it. So now all these people come in because they were lured with what? The dream to what? Make money quickly. So hence they don't really learn about risk management, which is managing your money. You get it. If you don't manage your money, obviously you lose all your money. No matter how rich you are, if you do not know how to manage your money, you lose all your money. Okay, so that is one thing that beginners, or that is one thing that makes most traders lose their money, because they don't know anything about money management. Okay, and without money management, I'm telling you for a fact, you are going to lose everything you have. Okay, so even if you don't have any knowledge about the thing, with money management, you will be able to what? Keep longer in the business. Let's say, for example, you have $1,000 to start out with, to start your get rich quick dream with. Okay, with that $1,000, just imagine you are risking 1% of that, which is $10 every trade you take. You are risking just 1% of that every trade you take. And let's just say you take one trade, or let's say one trade per week. So if you take one trade per week, that will be how much? That will be $10 a week, $40 a month. That will be $40 a whole month. So just imagine, in the first 90 days, you will lose $120. So in the first 90 days, you've beat majority of traders already without any knowledge of the market. Just by risk management, you've beat majority of the traders because you've lost how much? $120 out of $1,000, right? That is about 12%. Okay, that's about 12%. In 3 months, we've lost 12% in 3 whole months. So you see the importance of risk management. It's very, very key. It's very, very key. That's the main reason why majority of people lose money. That's the main reason. Number two reason why people lose money is 2, lack of patience and discipline. Lack of patience and discipline. Okay, so let me explain how patience and discipline. Without patience and discipline, you will lose money. So this is how it goes. If you've been able to learn something about the markets, I don't know, there are a lot of information on the internet, on YouTube, everywhere that you can learn. Okay, so let's say you've learned a lot of things on the market. Now, these things won't make you profit if you do not have the patience to let your trade out. Okay, so they've learned a lot of things on the internet, but they don't have the patience to execute whatever they've learned. So if, let's say, you've been taught that, okay, anytime price comes back to, let's say, $1,500, you're talking about gold. Anytime price comes back to $1,500, enter a buy and take profit when price is at what, $1,800, making you a net profit of what, $300. So if that is your strategy, okay, and without patience, let's say price comes to 1,500 as your strategy says, and you buy, and you are supposed to take out at $1,800. Now, without patience, majority of people will take profit at $1,600, $1,700 because they feel, they don't want to lose what they've gained. They don't want to lose what they've gained. Okay, the fear, they don't want to lose what they've gained. So they take profits at that level. Or sometimes the market tries to retrace a little bit. It comes back a little bit to maybe you bought it at 1,500, the market retraces a little bit to 1,600. You begin to fear. You don't have the patience, you don't have the discipline. So you close your trade. And after that, what happens? You realize that the market goes straight to what? 1,800. Then you start beating yourself. Oh, I should have done that. I should have done that. I should have waited. You see. So that is number 2. The first one, we spoke about what? Risk management. The second one, we are speaking about lack of patience and discipline. Okay. Now the third one, that's the third and most important one, is what? They lack skill. Okay. The third is we lack skill. Now this is not really as important as the two. Forgive me. I said this is the most important one. Yeah, this is the most important because it is not what people think it is. Okay, majority of the traders focus on learning the skill. I have to know how to read the chart. I know how to do this. That is not really important. That is not really important at all. What is important is risk management, patience, and discipline. The skill just tells you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. Bear in mind, there's nobody that can be right 100% of the time. But that's the misconception people have, that they can be right always, all the time. It's not. It's possible, though. It's possible, but it's rare. It's very rare. It's like writing an exam and telling me every paper you write, okay, for let's say 4 or 5 years, you score 100%. On every paper, you score 100%. People do that, but it's rare. It's rare. It's very rare. So skill is not really that important. Risk, if you have skill and you do not have good risk management, what happens? Let's say every trade you are risking 20%, right? It will just take you 5%. It will just take you 5 trades to wipe you out. 20% times 5, that's 100%. So if you have $1,000 and every trade you are risking how much? 20%, which is $200 per trade. In 5 trades, you've lost all the $1,000. Okay, you've lost all the $1,000. Even though you know what you are doing, you know your skill, you know what. Without risk management, you've lost everything. Okay, how do you build your skill? How do you build your knowledge in the market? So how you build your knowledge in the market is by learning. You learn several things. You learn from everywhere. Try to build and try to find an edge. That's what is important. Trying to find an edge. When you find an edge, you apply risk management to it. Okay, I would advise to trade just 2%, at most 2% of your capital. At most 2% of your capital per trade. Okay, so 2% of your capital per trade. All right, yeah, and I think you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Thank you for watching this video. So smash the like button and hit that subscription. Until next time, my name is DDT once again. Not the DDT you know. All right, let's do this.